Have you ever wondered what happens if the node fails in the middle of the transaction, or if the dependency actually becomes unavailable while your application is under a high traffic spike? In cloud native, expecting failures isn't enough. You'll have to plan for them. So here's where the chaos engineering actually comes into the play. Chaos engineering automates the whole entire process of injecting failures and helps you decide your system's weakness as well as how can they actually impact to your users. Litmus chaos lets you define complex as well as multi-step chaos experiments using the chaos workflow. So you will have to create a sequence of the events, for example, like injecting latency or network latency into your system and then deleting a random pod out of your system so as to decide and look out what will be the bottlenecks of your application, where will that particular problem will actually impact to your users. At the heart of every experiment or the chaos engineering is present a chaos hypothesis that will let you decide your application's assumptions, that how will your application react to any particular system failure or the node failure or any particular kind of the problem that has been at the moment they have been experiencing or experimenting at the moment in the Litmus chaos, in the chaos engineering. Litmus chaos then uses the probes like the Ashtmi or the Prometheus queries to automatically validate this hypothesis during the effect of your experiment or after the experiments. Litmus chaos is an open source extensible platform, so it will provide a central dashboard making the chaos engineering accessible to the whole entire team for the developers to SREs without even needing to deep understanding of the expertise in the whole underlying of the systems, whether it is about the Kubernetes or the underlying networking layers of your systems. They doesn't need that much knowledge about them all, and they can make the chaos engineering a lot more collaborative continuous practice for the whole developers team. In this way, Litmus chaos, you're not just reacting to the failures, but you're actually proactively building an experiment or an anti-fragile system that actually gets better at handling the unexpected failures or the unexpected behavior of your system, so that you can start planning for the inevitable and build systems that can actually not only survive but they can thrive at these kind of the situations. There's a lot more to know about the chaos engineering as well as also about the Litmus chaos and a lot of other experiments in the Litmus chaos tools, such as the Litmus, the chaos blades and the harness and a lot of other projects. If you want to know more about those all projects, then tag the cncf foundation, Litmus chaos, harness, chaos blade and a lot of other chaos engineering tools as well. That's all. Radhe Radhe and happy Radha Ashtmi. Radha Ashtmi ki badhai ho.